All right, we've got the Pelagus Store 2-piece magnetic weekly planner for your fridge. This is going to be an amazing way. It looks good, but it's also an amazing way to stay organized, as well as if you have any kids, teach them to stay organized. So we've got the weekly planner right here. Whatever you got going on for the week, you just take one of these dry erase markers that come from this magnetic holder that you can attach straight to the fridge. Whatever you got going on, just write it up there. And over here, you got your whatever you want this to be. This is a to-do list I have right here, where you say when you're done with something, you just mark it off with a check mark or whatever you want to do. Or maybe you want to. This is like an art piece. Just every week you do some sort of new art piece, or your grocery shopping list, or whatever you want this to be. It can be. Maybe you want to write a note to your kids. You're going to be gone. You want your kid to read the note. Whatever. It's whatever you want. Easy way to stay organized. This is one way to erase, which is it erases with this side. So as you can see, it's okay. It gets the job done. This is another way to erase. This is the rag, which erases a little bit better. But another way to erase it is also you damp this up. It erases even better. So highly recommend it.